Say hello, my honey.
I don't mind my crinkled shirt because peeps don't be ironing my clothes or doing my caramel properly, you know. So
No one asks. No one asks.
So I have to suffer in the public.
No one asks for that. Where are we going?
This is embarrassing.
Where are we going?
We're going to Soul Harbour cruise. You know, because my brother Herms likes to celebrate all month long, so we've had a busy month.
It's his birthday month.
And yeah, you know, gotta go support the fams.
Yeah. And last night was good too, eh?
Last night was awesome.
Oh,
Fine dining at its finest was really good atmosphere.
It was just like...
I could get used to that life.
Is your bank account used to
that? Nah, my bank account was like Len Masangi and it was like... But yeah, it was
nice.
Awesome night going out with Hope, Sharon. Oi, the girls got dressed up, boy.
Yeah, it was good. Like, it didn't even feel like we were in Sydney. Almost.
Yeah.
Like,
well, Sharon, you were saying it was like New York.
Yeah, it gave like New York vibes, like Manhattan vibes. It honestly did not feel like we were in Sydney.
But yeah, guys, last night it was...
Yeah, it was good. It was bomb.
Yeah, I hope you got enough footage for last night, because...
I got a little bit. You guys would have seen it. I probably would have made it into a montage or something, like...
I would have loved for you guys to see Sharon. She's all dolled up. I hope we take photos today, because... Man, Sharon, even last night we didn't even get a couple's photo. Like, fuck's sakes.
Anyways, yeah, last night was...
FML.
Last night was good. It was vibey. It was good.
Yeah, it was great. It's been a great weekend. Although I've got a lot of work to do. It's time to go out again.
Yeah. The thing is, I don't think it's over. I think next week...
Next week's brunch.
Okay, say sayonara, suckers.
Sayonara, suckers.
You didn't go that fast.
Telling me.
Shush, you're interrupting my vlog.
You're too chill.
Because we're going to make it. You're just stressing for nothing. What's your issue? What's your issue, sir?
You're my issue.
Don't stress until you absolutely need to.
I can't deal with you. Good.
Oh, look how pretty the city looks.
I don't think I'm going to stress. I think I'm going to cry. What's up, my guys? So this is our first time on this boat, and like I feel so old, but we're gonna live it up tonight. Hey, Shazza.
Yeah, my baby.
I'm like 6 drinks deep, 4 shots, but we're all good. The boat's swaying, and we yeah. But it's been good. My brother's birthday. He was like tickle tickle. Damn, we good, you know.
So happy birthday to Herman.
I just want to say happy birthday to my brother. You know, Mr. International. If you know Herman, he's everywhere all the time. So it's just good to have him in one spot for the whole weekend. But yeah, we love you.
Oh yeah, your turn.
But let me take my stomach in.
Oh.
My other channel. Okay,
Here we go.
Okay, go.
Yep, go.
Happy birthday, Mangi. We love you. Look at this, bitch.
Yeah. Go. Lucky, your turn.
Not him, fuck him.
Hey, Mangi. Happy 32nd birthday also. You know I love you, bro. I don't say it much, but you know what I mean. All day, every day, bro. Let's go.
You took it there. You took it there.
All day, every day.
Shit. What am I saying?
Birthday message.
To who?
Who else?
My man. Happy birthday. It's my numero uno. I love you. So it's for you.
Yeah. Alo moi.
Go.
I'll fight some more. Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Your turn.
Happy birthday, Mangi. We love you. We hope you had a good weekend. We did.
That's it.
You're
That's
not
it, man.
getting in the sea? I'll fucking throw you, bro.
What a bully guy. Oi,
You know what I mean?
Australia says no. Australia says no.
Absolutely not.
Hey, you know, you need a shush or push.
Oi, don't bring your bush on this vlog too. Yeah, cancel that one.
No, I'm joking, I'm joking.
I believe you know just what you're doing now. Maybe now we can go. Let's go, let's go. Don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Getting put that thing
Where were you? We haven't seen you for hours.
Where were you mooing? Oh, how about Nicky's keeping tabs with me? He's taking her to the bar across the road. Come on, Lucky.
Yo!
Don't film me.
See you next Sunday, yeah?
Ass Island.
No, I need a break.
Guys are Have a good night. You're welcome. Just watch your step as you're coming down.
Thank you. Wow. Right, what are we doing?
He's gonna say bye to my brothers.
Oh, where are they? Where's Licky? Stop it! Say hi to the camera. Come on.
It's a birthday. It's a birthday. DJ came up in his bitch.
Oh, DJ Reese?
No, it's his birthday. It's his birthday.
Let's go.
But really, it's her birthday. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah.
Say that again.
You know what? This girl's so beautiful in one single. Look at the jaw structure. Oh my gosh. So nice. Oh, how you doing? Get me!
What's up, guys? It's about 3:30 in the morning. I've been up since I think 11:30. Yeah, guys, join me at the gym. Not me doing the peace sign. What a Sharon. There's no one here. I'm gonna start on the treadmill, yeah? So there's one other person here, but that's all good. Wow. So guys, I'm gonna start on the treadmill and then I'll go to the weights. I'll probably film a little later, but yeah, I want to concentrate on my workout, so so inexperienced, but I'm gonna get there, guys. Gonna get there. I'm gonna head home because I've got to get ready for work. It's now about 4:30. It's time for me to go home. When I finish the gym, so my pre-gym is taking 2 shots of this. I see here. I take 2 shots, and then I drink water, spinach, shake. Yeah, use the Ninja to put a handful. Got my spinach. Gonna put 2 scoops, I think. 3 scoops, actually. Let me give you guys a rundown. So the past month or so, just a little over a month, I've been, I think I started, my weight was 138. And then I took on fasting so that I could sort of get myself into a good habit. And I've been fasting for a little over a month, which I was able to lose properly 7 kilos. So now it's time to sort of push a little bit more, eat regularly, and now go and also apply workout or go gym. Where I'm at today with this is my mindset is actually a lot stronger. This has been sort of months and months, and over time, including last year and the year before. This year, I believe I'm the most consistent with myself, which has been good. Like taking on like reading, motivational things, and also setting actions for you to conquer, like to complete little actions. They do a world of wonders when you get to tick it off your list. That's what it's going to look like, guys. Fat blaster and spinach for breakfast. Oh, that's actually, considering I only put 250 mils, didn't seem like much. Ooh. Get your big ice cube, and there you have it. Yum. So I have my shake. I'm gonna go shower, get ready for work, and then head off to work. And then when I get to work, I'll have probably a black coffee, no sugar, because milk doesn't sit well with me anymore. Lactose. I'm not diagnosed lactose, but I think I am. And then I'll probably have a piece of toast at morning breakfast, but I'll see what I got in the cupboards. And don't add us because the oily oven, like my sister was probably cooking last night. Oh, it's 5 a.m. Morning, done.
Wait.
Midnight run to Kmart. Midnight run. Went to Rob Kmart.
No, you still have to wear a mask or you can't walk in. I'm not kidding. Me and
Is
Romy
there a
got
mask in there?
rejected.
Oh my god, you guys. It's so hot tonight. Why are we all wearing a jumper? I don't know. But I'm like burning up. Hold on. I'm trying to get a mask. Welcome to today's vlog, you guys. Say hello, my honey. Yeah, we're opening the vlog tonight because we don't know how tomorrow morning's gonna be. We need to go for a late night Kmart run to pick up a couple things. because tomorrow
It's going to TJ's first birthday.
is a big day. We're celebrating the little king's birthday. So,
I love how you're doing your waving a bit more.
why? And they can't see it. But yeah, you guys are coming along with us. Alright, what are we getting? Of course you go straight to a mirror. Look at her.
Oh, of course.
Alright, I need a singlet. We're shopping together.
Shop together.
Hold this.
Sharon, the way to success is you focus on your stuff, I focus on mine and go over there. Listen, we don't condone violence here, alright? Australia says no. I'm just gonna sit here and watch Shazza do her thing when we could be killing two birds with one stone, you know what I mean? So we're just getting some, how would you say it, water park type of clothes. This girl in her mini shorts over there, like, oi, oi. Wanga, fussy, yeah. Look like a sort of a fungal, that thing.
That's soft, that's why.
Size 20?
Oh. Ray thinks because she drinks water now she... Oh, okay.
No, I don't just drink water. I hurt myself at the gym too, you know?
Oh, okay. What, and then a white singlet?
Pulea oi, princess.
Two YouTubers in one area.
Oh no, it's Chilora.
Desoray.
It's Hope. But you know, Gangi Valley over there wants me to hold her lima, hold her hand to come and pick out her sort of fungal looking stuff, you know. Yeah, okay. Excuse me, Sharon? Without me, you won't have a Desoray and Sharon vlogs, alright? It'll be Byron.
Byron.
Be Shara Byron.
Be great. Just be great.
Oi, you
Be nothing.
see that? That like
What?
Sass and Diamond was saying that the other day.
People have been saying it.
Yeah.
The vibes.
Yeah, it is the vibes.
Ooh, catchy. So we're going over to the my section.
The men's section.
Oh well, I don't wear like I don't know. I just never have worn women's shorts or anything because they don't have my size. I've always been a big one, you know. I've always been voluptuous. Okay, what do we have over here? Oh, actually, I like these. These look good.
Are you alright?
Huh?
Are you alright?
Bro, $4 each. Not bad. I love
Yeah, this
Kmart.
whole section of all these like shorts that
I was
came
just saying to
out.
Sharon because during COVID in logistics, they probably got a late-as container for summer. So, we're going to make the most of it today. Yeah, $4 shorts.
Yeah, that's actually good.
Yeah, bro. Can you go get a trolley now?
I even got me shorts because obviously
They
Jamboree.
never have sizes in these sizes in sport shorts. That's how you know they got a late container.
Yeah, so even I got a pin. What do you want?
Here with the cream.
Oh,
Taking over.
look at them.
Are you buying that?
I want to.
Okay, buy it. Oh, Sharon saying that you can't. It's only $2. I didn't say anything. Can I vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. We gotta do some repositioning. Okay, don't put this into your vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to Sharon and Desoray. What's your YouTube channel called? Wait, what's your YouTube channel called? Sharon and Desoray or Desoray and Sharon? Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to Desoray and Sharon's channel. We're currently in Kmart, which they probably explained already. Yeah, my hand's too shaky for this. I'm not a good vlogger. Someone take it off me. Sharon, take it off of me. And don't put this in. Desoray, take the vlog camera. Desiray's playing Temple Run. He's even have iron.
Yes, You know, it's been 4 years I've been begging for an ironing board. And now...
Then buy yourself a toy.
Yeah, but I don't even like this ironing board. Look. My shirt's going to be creased in with the metal part. Please, hold it. What? Come again.
I said, that's the shit I
Yeah?
do.
Is that right?
Get her.
Sharon, stop.
Ew. Take this real quick. Hold it so I can fix my hair. Yeah, your camera's actually really good.
Oh, yeah, no, that looks good.
Yeah, but your skin looks really good.
Thanks. Not up close, so you know. My husband's merch.
Who?
He doesn't know it yet, but we're married.
No, that can well, yeah, because this. You know why? Because this shit costs like $2,000.
No, I'm just talking about my right.
Oh my
No,
god,
can
look at that.
You made it,
So currently Hunger Games is happening. Currently Hunger Games is happening. We've scraped that pot of rice clean. Desoray scraping this pan clean. And we've opened several tunas.
No, but it tastes well.
No, it actually does.
Yes.
Anyway, this is all our Kmart stuff. Yeah, yeah.
Looky. So guys, what we have here is
Right, show the
tuna,
yeah.
rice, mayo, seaweed, roll it up, sushi at home. Bring up with
What?
You're living life, sushi and online gaming, yeah?
I know. All in the comfort of my home.
In what? Whose home? Yeah, we ran out of water.
So now I'm drinking a V, but
Yeah, we ran out of water, and I couldn't justify paying $6.
you can't diet around this girl, you really
No, I couldn't justify paying $6 for a bottle of water at the gas station.
Yeah, I did whisper it to you, but then I went and I asked her
Oh,
myself.
okay, but you whispered it.
Anyway,
Not
there's
right.
bigger issues right now. We're out of rice. Make rice.
Make rice, Chalora, learn.
Or you use the brown rice, because you can put it in the microwave for 90 seconds.
How much water?
No water.
You're not gonna like the taste of it, but yeah.
No water. Go buy that $6 water so I can cook with this rice.
Use tap water, hello.
Can someone please teach me how to make rice, please?
Yeah, I just had to capture this moment. Ew, look how dirty it looks. Chalora,
Laura, fix your Vespa.
yeah, clean your rubbish. You're the last one to eat.
Sharon,
You were the last one to eat. You know the rules. Last one to eat, it cleans it. Go have some noodles. You're not. You're not gonna make a pot of
I
rice.
just want enough rice to eat my tuna and seaweed.
Yeah, you're not. Chalora,
Oh yeah,
I think I
go
can't
grab
eat
it.
sushi.
go make some noodles.
Sharon, you're being a buzzkill.
And you're not gonna like brown rice. She's
I
not
know
gonna
cooking
like
brown rice. I thought it was all white rice.
No, she's cooking the right rice.
it. The what? The what? The white rice.